Hey everyone, if you've got a pet, you know they bring so much joy into our lives, right? But they can also bring some pretty powerful smells, especially in the backyard. So today, we're going to get into the science of how you can actually win that battle against pet odors for good.
I mean, it's the classic dilemma, isn't it? We absolutely love our pets, but that stubborn smell, especially when the sun comes out, it can totally ruin any backyard fun. And believe me, if you're dealing with this, you are definitely not alone.
And look, this isn't just some small thing. It can seriously get in the way of you enjoying your own home. I mean, check out this review from an actual customer. They said, outside barbecues and games just weren't fun anymore. When you can't even have a simple cookout in your own yard, yeah, that's a real problem. Okay, so what's the fix? Well, what if I told you the solution wasn't some kind of magic potion, but actual science? It's all powered by this incredible, microscopic cleanup crew that nature itself created. The secret weapon, the magic ingredient in these modern cleaners, it's something called enzymes. So what in the world are enzymes? All right, think of them like this. They're super powerful, totally natural proteins that act like a microscopic cleanup crew. They have one very specific job: find organic stuff, like pet urine, and just completely break it down. They're basically nature's own little sanitation department, and they are incredibly good at what they do. And this right here is the key difference. You see, a lot of products just mask the odor. It's kind of like spraying air freshener. Sure, it smells better for a little while, but the source of the stink is still there, right? Enzymatic cleaners are a whole different ballgame. They don't cover anything up. No way. They go straight to the source of the smell and completely eliminate it.
So, the big question is, how do these tiny little powerhouses actually get the job done? Well, it's a really simple but super effective 3-step takedown. Here's how it works. First, they have to find the source. These enzymes are designed to lock onto that urine and other gross stuff. Then, step 2, they break it down. They literally start digesting all the bacteria and soil that are causing that awful smell. And finally, step 3, they eliminate it. The source is gone, which means the smell is gone. For good. Okay, let's zoom in on that first step because it's pretty cool. It works just like a lock and a key. Every enzyme is designed for one specific type of lock. In our case, the molecules in pet urine. So they're out there just searching for that perfect match, and when they find it, click, they lock right on. And this is where the magic really happens. As soon as that enzyme is locked on, it kicks off a chemical reaction that just starts tearing the stinky stuff apart. You can almost picture it like a tiny Pac-Man, just gobbling up the source of the odor until there's absolutely nothing left. So what's the result of all this? A truly fresh yard. The smell isn't just covered up by some flowery scent, waiting to creep back out on the next humid day. Nope. It has been totally dismantled on a molecular level. It's gone, completely. Okay, so the science is fascinating, right? But what does this all actually mean for you, for your family, and for, being able to enjoy your backyard again? Well, for one thing, this stuff is incredibly versatile. We're talking about artificial turf, regular grass, your patio and decks, even concrete and brick. It works on gravel, rock, dirt. You can even use it on fences and furniture. Pretty much any outdoor surface you can think of, these cleaners can handle it. And honestly, this might be the most important part, because these cleaners are just using nature's own systems. They don't rely on a bunch of harsh chemicals. And that means, and this is huge, once the area is dry, it's totally safe for your kids and your pets to be on. There's zero harmful stuff left behind, just a clean, fresh yard. And hey, you don't have to take my word for it. This customer really said it best. They said if you want something safe for your kids and pets, this is it. It really comes down to that peace of mind, knowing that you're using something that works great and is safe for the most important members of your family, whether they have 2 legs or 4. So the next time that stubborn backyard smell hits you, remember this. You don't have to just cover it up. You now know there's a way to scientifically eliminate it from the source. The real question is, are you ready to let science clean your yard?